In this video, I will show you how to play text message as audio on WhatsApp. So if you want to play a text message as audio on your WhatsApp because you do not want to read it, then this is what you can do for that. So first of all, make sure that your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. And if you have that done, open your WhatsApp. And then from there, go to the chat that you want to play as an audio message. So let's say we have this chat in here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to copy this text. So click on copy and then just paste it in the bar in here. And what we're going to do then is we're going to select everything and then we're going to click on this icon, the arrow to the right next to this. And once we do that, we will see translate. So let's go ahead and click on translate in here. And now we need to click on continue. And right now you need to select the language and this is English. So let's click on this. And now you can just click on play next to hi. And then this will just read out whatever's in there. So this way you can also do this with very long messages. You can just go ahead and select play then, and then everything will be read out. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.